Today we will practice the shadowing technique together.
Today, we talk about the people we love, family, and friends. But what is shadowing?
You listen and speak at the same time. It's not important that you understand the meaning of the words. Your goal is to train your mouth to pronounce words and sentences.
It's like a song. You copy our voices to learn the rhythm of English.
It helps you speak faster and with a better accent.
You don't need to study rules.
You just copy our voices. It is like music for your mouth. Let's start.
I love learning new things.
I love learning new things.
My English sounds better every day.
My English sounds better every day.
I am proud of my hard work.
I am proud of my hard work.
Talk about your family and friends.
1. Immediate family and lineage.
I have a very small family.
I have a very small family.
I'm an only child, actually.
I'm an only child, actually.
I come from a big family with 5 kids.
I come from a big family with 5 kids.
My parents have been married for 30 years.
My parents have been married for 30 years.
I look exactly like my father.
I look exactly like my father.
I have my mother's eyes.
I have my mother's eyes.
My older brother is a doctor.
My older brother is a doctor.
My younger sister is still in high school.
My younger sister is still in high school.
We all live under the same roof.
We all live under the same roof.
I'm the baby of the family.
I'm the baby of the family.
My ancestors came from Europe.
My ancestors came from Europe.
I have a twin brother.
I have a twin brother.
My parents are very supportive of me.
My parents are very supportive of me.
I get along really well with my siblings.
I get along really well with my siblings.
My family tree goes back a long way.
My family tree goes back a long way.
I'm named after my grandfather.
I'm named after my grandfather.
Family always comes first for me.
Family always comes first for me.
We have a big family dinner every Sunday.
We have a big family dinner every Sunday.
My cousin is like a brother to me.
My cousin is like a brother to me.
I have a lot of relatives in New York.
I have a lot of relatives in New York.
My aunt is the funniest person I know.
My aunt is the funniest person I know.
My uncle owns a small bakery downtown.
My uncle owns a small bakery downtown.
I'm very close to my grandmother.
I'm very close to my grandmother.
We share a lot of great memories together.
We share a lot of great memories together.
I hope to have a big family one day.
I hope to have a big family one day. Personality and traits.
My father is a very hard-working man.
My father is a very hard-working man.
My mother is the kindest person I know.
My mother is the kindest person I know.
My sister is a bit shy around strangers.
My sister is a bit shy around strangers.
My brother is very outgoing and loud.
My brother is very outgoing and loud.
My best friend is incredibly funny.
My best friend is incredibly funny.
She is a very honest and loyal person.
She is a very honest and loyal person.
He is always there when I need help.
He is always there when I need help.
My cousin is a total perfectionist.
My cousin is a total perfectionist.
My grandfather is very wise and patient.
My grandfather is very wise and patient.
Most of my friends are very creative.
Most of my friends are very creative.
I'd say my family is pretty traditional.
I'd say my family is pretty traditional.
My sister is very smart for her age.
My sister is very smart for her age.
My friend is a very talented musician.
My friend is a very talented musician.
We are a very active family.
We are a very active family.
My dad is quite strict, but he's fair.
My dad is quite strict, but he's fair.
My mom is a great listener.
My mom is a great listener.
My brother is always making jokes.
My brother is always making jokes.
My friend is very ambitious and driven.
My friend is very ambitious and driven.
We are all very different, but we stay close.
We are all very different, but we stay close.
Character is more important than looks.
Character is more important than looks. Wait, Adam, my mouth needs coffee.
Coffee for your mouth?
Yes, it's very tired.
Guys, if your mouth feels tired, it's normal.
If your tongue is confused, that's okay.
Confused?
Yes, it doesn't know left or right.
If you are still repeating with us,
Nice job.
you are doing great.
Keep going. You are strong.
If this practice helps you, give the video a big like.
And share it with a friend.
Let's continue.
3.
Friends and social life. I've known my best friend since kindergarten.
I've known my best friend since kindergarten.
We're like two peas in a pod.
We're like two peas in a pod.
I have a small circle of close friends.
I have a small circle of close friends.
I love meeting new people.
I love meeting new people.
We usually hang out at the park on Saturdays.
We usually hang out at the park on Saturdays.
My friends and I love watching movies.
My friends and I love watching movies.
I can tell my best friend anything.
I can tell my best friend anything.
We always have a blast together.
We always have a blast together.
I met my friend at a coffee shop.
I met my friend at a coffee shop.
We lost touch for a while, but now we're back.
We lost touch for a while, but now we're back.
I consider my friends to be my second family.
I consider my friends to be my second family.
We share the same hobbies and interests.
We share the same hobbies and interests.
It's important to have friends you can trust.
It's important to have friends you can trust.
I love hosting dinners for my friends.
I love hosting dinners for my friends.
We always support each other's dreams.
We always support each other's dreams.
I have friends from all over the world.
I have friends from all over the world.
We often go on road trips together.
We often go on road trips together.
My friends keep me grounded.
My friends keep me grounded.
I'm lucky to have such great people in my life.
I'm lucky to have such great people in my life.
We always celebrate birthdays together.
We always celebrate birthdays together.
True friends stay with you during hard times.
True friends stay with you during hard times.
I love making my friends laugh.
I love making my friends laugh.
We have a group chat that never stops.
We have a group chat that never stops.
My friends are the light of my life.
My friends are the light of my life.
I'm grateful for every single one of them.
I'm grateful for every single one of them. Wow, 70 sentences? You just talked about everyone you know.
Great job today. If you feel like part of the Snack English family, hit that like button.
Subscribe to stay with us and tell us in the comments, how many siblings do you have?
See you in the next snack.